Hi friends, I'm back again with another alphabet video for you to sing and play along. And for those of you that are my students practicing this at home, I want you to follow along with your finger and touch all the letters as you sing with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Next time, won't you sing with me? All right, now we're going to say the letter name and the picture and sound. Are you ready? A says apple. B says bear. C says cat. D says dog. E says elephant. F says fish. G says grapes. H says house. I says igloo. J says jellyfish. K says kangaroo. L says lion. M says monkey. N says nest. O says octopus. P says penguin. Q says queen. R says robot. S says snail. T says tomato. U says umbrella. V says volcano. W says watermelon. X says x-ray. Y says yarn. And Z says zoo. All right, thanks for practicing your letters with me. Have a good day.